In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view poll results on WhatsApp Web. We'll take you step by step through this simple process to ensure you can easily access and understand the poll outcomes within your WhatsApp conversations. Whether you're coordinating a group decision or just trying to keep track of opinions in a chat, these instructions will guide you smoothly through it. Let's start by navigating to your WhatsApp Web. To do so, open your preferred web browser and go to the WhatsApp Web website. If you haven't already connected your phone to WhatsApp Web, you'll need to do that first. Open WhatsApp on your mobile device, tap on the three dots or settings icon, select linked devices, and scan the QR code presented on your computer screen with your phone's camera. Once you're logged in, you'll see your familiar list of chats on the left-hand side. Now, let's find the poll you're interested in. Scroll through your list of chats until you locate the conversation containing the poll. Click on that chat to open it. This will display the entire conversation on the right-hand side of your screen, exactly as it appears on your phone. Take a moment to scroll through the messages if needed, and locate the poll message within the conversation thread. The poll will appear as a distinct box in the chat, making it easy to identify among other messages. Once you've located the poll, the next task is to view the results. Directly beneath the poll options, you'll see an option labeled View Votes. Click on this link. Doing so will expand a new window or section within the WhatsApp interface, displaying the results of each option in the poll. You can now clearly see how participants have voted, with the numbers or percentages representing each choice. This breakdown includes both the number of votes each option received and which participants selected each option, if this information is displayed based on the settings chosen when the poll was created. It's worth noting that sometimes polls have additional settings that could restrict how results are shown. For example, if the poll was set up to display anonymous voting, you may only see vote counts or percentages without details on who voted for what. However, if these settings allow for transparency, you can expect to see more detailed information as we've described. There you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can stay informed about group decisions and effectively participate in discussions. This feature is especially handy in coordinating plans and managing team opinions and activities. By learning how to view poll results, you are enhancing your use of WhatsApp Web for clearer communication and collaboration. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials that make navigating digital tools just a bit easier.